A jaw-dropping moment during the Macy's 4th of July fireworks event that didn't involve the color bursts in the sky. Take a look at this. This was posted by a Twitter user on Roosevelt Island, where I used to live when I was a kid. Just blown away by the drones that appeared in the show. They came together to form the Statue of Liberty, and they stayed in formation as Lady Liberty rotated 360 degrees so that everyone could see her. And they changed colors, making her red and white and blue. Oh, so pretty.
And, you know, I like this more and more. I read that a lot of cities are turning to drones now, and because
environmentally friendly.
Yeah, and we saw what happened, Sam, this morning when the consequences
woke up and had to deal with the smoke. Yeah, a lot of it, you wait for the smoke to clear, whether wind is going to blow it out or something. And in our case, for this morning, it was just still hanging dense around the area. That meant there was
really no wind moving.
No, and really unhealthy air quality early this morning. We're so much better. That wasn't the only image, by the way. If you look for it online, you'll be able to see they had other drone images. It morphed into flag. It did some great stuff. Cool. So I hope you take a look at it. Let's look at our air quality right now. So our AQI is down, and I say that because this morning when we all came in to get the news started, it was over 300 at about 310. And that's from that pollutant, the smoke. Now, we've got a couple things to talk about here. So we're down to 114, which is right at the unhealthy for sensitive groups right here, just barely right in that area. A lot of us are at the moderate level. So look at the yellow here. Look at the green, which is good. Hudson Valley's good. Long Island's good. We just have this little dot right here. And now we're going to be measuring the ozone, that typical summer pattern pollutant that's at ground level, and it often happens when we heat up the auto emissions with the sunshine, and we've got that going for us as well. So two different conversations. We had poor air quality due to the smoke from fireworks early this morning, and now we're just going to have our basic summer-like poor air quality. 87 degrees outside right now. Our winds are calm, so we're not moving a lot of things around. 87 on the Upper West Side, a little cooler at Yankee Stadium, but these high 80s are where we're settling right now, and you can see this warmth even running into New Jersey. 86, 90 degrees in Wrightstown, 85 in Poughkeepsie right now. I wouldn't be surprised to see 90, 91 degrees in a good part of the area. Now, our visibility, because we had some pockets of fog and even that little bit of smoke attached to the fog, everything's fine out there right now, and we look pretty good. But the air quality alert is out for the area, and it's all the way into the nighttime hours here. A lot of that is because the heating of the day and just our basic poor air quality. So one of the things we want people to know is it's not just the smoke, but it's also the poor air quality in the area. So just pay attention this afternoon in those very hot temperatures and a little bit of high humidity. So give it a little extra care today. Any moisture in the form of clouds or even some showers as well down to the south. If you look at the models, and I'll show them to you, we get about a 10 to 20% chance that we can fire up a little shower in the heat and humidity of the day, but nothing like yesterday when we came in with 4 inches of rain in parts of New Jersey and less than 1/10 of an inch of rain for a good part of the area, because it was really in those thunderstorms dependent on getting that very heavy rain across the area. Look how long we stay in the high 80s today. So there's an awful lot of heat. There's high humidity. Our air quality isn't the greatest, so it's generally going to stay probably at moderate to unhealthy for sensitive groups today. UV index is a 9. That's pretty high out there, so just take it easy or wait till we get a little cooler at the end of the day. 90 degrees, and that early smoke is kind of dissipating around the area, though we have a little pocket of it still. Mostly clear, warm and humid as we go through the night. 74 degrees will be our low temperature, and that's a mild start for tomorrow, so it'll be easy to go right back into the high 80s, although because of 1 or 2 afternoon thunderstorms, it's likely we'll stay just below the 90-degree mark for the day tomorrow. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, look at this. We relight the opportunity of getting these scattered thunderstorms in the area. 90 degrees, 88 degrees, 87 degrees. We'll drop Sunday and Monday into the lower 80s. Lauren?
Sam, thank you so much.
Well, it's going to be a hot one out there. Coming up at the NYPD to the rescue, dramatic video as 2 officers save a man who'd fallen on the subway tracks.
And when a thrill ride goes wrong, how long it took for rescuers to reach these folks hanging upside down on a roller coaster.